VoiceBuddy is the last all-in-one text-to-speech option you'll ever need. VoiceBuddy encompasses the best of both worlds when it comes to text-to-speech technology. Simply stated, they've combined Google WaveNet and Amazon Polly into one software platform and added a ton of features as well. They've just harnessed the power of Google WaveNet and Amazon Polly into one amazing soft platform with a ton of features. When you're trying to seamlessly create natural-sounding text-to-speech, you need to be able to add pitch, natural pauses, strength of voice, and more. So they set out to find a solution that would not only offer all of these things and then some, but also that combine the top two text-to-speech technologies into one. Introducing VoiceBuddy. It creates realistic-sounding voices in only 3 easy steps. You can pump out natural-sounding audio ASAP with VoiceBuddy. All you need to do is, Step 1, select your language and voice. Step 2, paste your text into VoiceBuddy. Step 3, click to generate your audio. With VoiceBuddy you could create up to 20x more videos than the competition. No joke. Just think about it. You could have videos churning out every single day that earns you money from affiliate sales, ad revenue, and more. And you could do it across multiple markets as well. VoiceBuddy features X number of voices to choose from. As they've mentioned earlier, they've combined Google WaveNet and Amazon Polly into this platform. Therefore you'll get the best of both worlds. X languages to choose from. English isn't the only popular language today. That's why they've made sure to include multiple languages inside of VoiceBuddy. This way you can create audio in some of the most popular languages today without missing a beat. It is easy to use even for newbies. Listen, they've made using VoiceBuddy incredibly easy right out the gate. You simply cannot mess this up. Even if you have the technical skills of a blind caveman, 100% customization at your fingertips. No other text-to-speech platform comes close. Other text-to-speech software apps either include Google WaveNet or Amazon Polly. Where's the value in that? This, in their opinion, is incredibly underwhelming. Easy-to-use dashboard. Everything is right where you need it. No clicking around trying to find the tools to use. The layout is designed to make sure you can start generating high-quality text-to-speech fast. Text-to-speech editor. You'll also be able to edit all of your text you put into VoiceBuddy at a moment's notice. The wide layout makes sure you can comb over your text with ease. Add notes to each audio file. Had an idea for a particular audio? No worries. Just click to add notes to any audio, and you'll never forget your thoughts and how to use that audio in the future. Find previously created audios easily. They're sure that once you get going with VoiceBuddy, you're going to be creating tons of audio files from text. That's why they've made finding any audio easy just by doing a simple search. Everything is 100% cloud-based. No need to install anything. You'll also love the fact that VoiceBuddy doesn't require you to download or install anything. This works on every device you have. Delivers on time every time. Without the nasty attitude. It delivers your audio voiceover right when you want it. Immediately. Save thousands on voiceovers. Unless you're producing a $200 million budget movie, then it just makes sense to save money on voiceover work, right? Even lower-level talent charges by the minute. Export and use with any software you choose. The great thing about VoiceBuddy is that you can download every single audio you create quickly and easily by MP3 format. This will allow you to import to every possible software available, because MP3 is the normal format that a lot of software take nowadays.